Here's the tough truth. 90% of experts fail. Not because you're not skilled enough or you can't find the right clients, not because you can't write posts or record podcasts, but it's because you make the same business mistakes over and over again. And if you're feeling stuck about trying to grow your online business, stick with me, because in this video, I'll break down the exact fundamentals that separate the 10% who thrive from the 90% who burn out. So why do most experts fail to create an online business that thrives? Reason 1, they treat their content like a hobby, not a business. If you show up inconsistently and without a plan, you'll stay at a hobby level. Reason number 2, they rely on one revenue stream. Maybe it's just one client, or maybe it's a sponsorship, or affiliate marketing, or one digital product, but no real system for predictable income. Here's where most experts get stuck. They think going full-time takes years, but it doesn't have to. That's why I teach a method called 0 to 1 in 1 weekend. It's a 6-step process that takes experts from idea to their first sale in a single weekend. And those 6 steps are simple. It first starts with framing your idea, and then we'll create your MVP and we'll go all the way to launch and getting your first sale. By doing this quickly, you'll prove your business model works without wasting months or years. The link is down below to get involved on the next challenge. Once you get your first sale, you have that validation, and it gives you confidence to build systems, products, and predictable income streams. Reason number 3, they ignore financial discipline. As an expert online, you're also a content creator. But if you're obsessed about likes, views, subscribers, and metrics only, that can end in disaster. Ask yourself, when was the last time that you thought about profit margins or cash flow? And this mistake is the biggest trap because you can't grow what you don't measure. Speaking of financial discipline, one of the biggest mistakes experts and creators make is treating money like a hobby. They track analytics to the second, but have no clue what they earned last month. Look, you can't scale what you don't measure. If you want to be in that top 10%, you need to track finances like a real business. And that's why I use 0. 0 makes it simple to see all your income streams, sponsorships, courses, affiliate commissions. You can match them against expenses, send invoices, and check cash flow in seconds. It even connects with your bank accounts and auto-categorizes everything. No more wasting hours sorting receipts. When you use 0, you can instantly know which streams are profitable, when you can reinvest in growth, and how much to set aside for taxes. Trust me, once you get your finances in order, everything else becomes clearer. Check out 0 with the link below and start running your business like the successful 10%. So how do you actually join the 10%? There are 4 fundamentals. Number 1, it starts with mindset. Be the CEO, not just the expert or creator. Think of it like running a mini media company. Number 2, money. Know your numbers. Track your income, expenses, and taxes. Financial clarity is oxygen. Number 3, monetization mix. Build multiple streams. Ads, yes, but also sponsorships, products, memberships, services. All of that helps you stabilize your income. Number 4, systems. Create repeatable workflows. How you can publish your content, how you work with clients, how you create products. Systems turn chaos into momentum. So let's recap. Most experts fail, not because of their talent, but because they ignore boring fundamentals. Mindset, money, monetization, and systems. Focus on these and you'll move from the 90% who fail to the 10% who build sustainable businesses. Make sure that you get the link down below to join the challenge. And if you like these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. This video was sponsored by 0.